Hi everyone, I'm here in Budulu Cliff Estate for Melanie's Pivot Retreat. It's been an amazing day so far, learning about the chakra system and how it applies to business. It's been really nice to take a bit of a step away from the operational vortex that we are in all the time. And I think we're going to have a good framework to apply in the future for our business and for our team, and understanding me a little bit better. Very excited about the journey. I feel like I've got the tools I need to continue creating this wonderful universe and creating for myself. And I just hope that everyone in their life gets an opportunity to look at themselves and learn something new, and live the life we're meant to be living. Live well.